Damn sorry, Song. I am. But you dicked me first.
What?
Songbird. Still want her?
Huh? Turning your back on her now. Okay, name your price. I'm all ears.
Want just one thing. To survive. Live on. Just one dose. One instance of the cure exists. Song decided to keep it, but left me with nothing.
I see. So Songbird for me, and one dose for you.
Need the cure, and the Rippers who know how to use it. Mention contacts in Europe. Personal ones.
In Europe, at Langley too. The NUSA specialists are top of the game. They'll pull the data for you, then operate. Do we have a deal?
Say I survive. What happens to Song, dare I ask?
We'll do our damnedest to stop the Blackwall degeneration. Look for other ways.
Myers wants Song dead. Condemned her already.
Myers couldn't let her escape. If we get her, alive, have her in our hands, the NUSA will be safe. Songbird will live.
How am I to know your people will recover the neural matrix? Any guarantee?
I can't pretend to know this shit inside out. Remember though, Sinoshore's Altec.
Deal. Take her. But don't fucking let me die. Launch pad's in sight. Almost there.
I know. I'm waiting.
Wakey, wakey. End of the line. Come on. Time to go. Let's get this shit done.
Hold up there.
Warned me about her, damn it. Turned out to be a straight con. One not worth dying for. Betrayed Myers, you. Then came my turn.
She was my friend once. Who she is today, I don't know. And I won't be the one to judge her. Taking you home, Somi. Taking you home. Area secure for landing. No, we will not do that. We grab the girl and go.
Thought about how you're gonna spend your 30 pieces of silver?
I'll be in touch.
Don't keep me waiting.
V.
Remember our deal? Don't you dare dick me.
Good night's sleep, V. That's what you need. Even more than I do.
Was just thinking to myself.
Were you now?
Dunno, I mean, fuck. Now I kinda feel sorry for the chick.
Not thinking about her. Thinking about yourself. Fearing your end.
Healthy egotism, I'd call it. No, Just wanted to say that woman had the shittiest fucking luck in life.
Shitty luck's what I ran into at Konpeki Plaza.
Wanted to fly high, too close to the sun. Both of you. Yet, as an ancient Chinese proverb says, ain't no jumping over your own ass cheeks.